Begin by removing the straps and unboxing your bike. Open the box and you can see the QR code linking you to this assembly video. If you are returning your bike due to shipping damages, it is important to keep the box intact. Remove all of the zip ties and foam packaging from the bike. Open up the box with the tools inside the white canvas bag. Take out the 4mm and 6mm hex wrenches. Remove the stem faceplate. Install the handlebars. Snug up the stem faceplate bolts. We will adjust the handlebars position later. Remove the headlight mounting bolt and install the headlight. You should run the cable between the two mounting arms. Use an 8mm open-end wrench and a 3mm hex wrench to lock the headlight into place. Remove the shipping plate from the bottom of your fork using a 21mm open-end wrench. Remove the plastic spacer in the brake caliper and prop the forks on the wheel hub to slide the black axle from the toolbox into the wheel hub. Slide the axle in on the opposite side as the brake assembly. Insert the double D-shaped nut into the dropout on the brake side dropout of the fork. Tighten down the axle with the 6mm hex wrench. Install the front fender by removing the fender bolt from the lower fork crown and inserting the fender from behind the crown, then fastening the bolt back down on the metal tab of the fender. Remove the bolts from the fork legs to secure the fender stanchions on the right and left fork legs. Now that the bike is on both wheels, let's adjust the stem to 20 degrees and the bars to an angle that is comfortable for riding. Use a 6mm hex wrench for the stem adjustment screw. Use a 4mm hex wrench for tightening the faceplate on the stem. Use a 3mm hex wrench to tighten down the 4 display screws in the display mounts. Put some assembly grease on the threads of the right and left pedals, then thread the pedals onto the crank arms. Notice the stickers on the crank arms, showing the direction to spin the pedal's axles when installing them. The left pedal is a reverse thread. Use the 15mm open-end wrench to secure the pedals. Now that your bike is adequately assembled, take it to a bike shop and have them torque all the critical fasteners with a calibrated torque wrench. Finally, put some assembly grease on the seat post. Insert the seat post into the bike and tighten it down with the seat post clamp. If you have any questions, contact Ariel Rider Technical Support.